This video will show you how to install the switch in your gate opener and get up running with the Wi-Fi Smart Control app. You need to read the manual before installation, and you can download it from the product detail page. This switch works with most any gate opener, but there are some exceptions. You can check if this switch is compatible by short the two connections via gate opener wired or push button. This opener works, so here comes to the wiring. Please cut off the power before wiring. It's important. The first step you need to do is to connect the signal terminals A, B, C terminals to the positive and COM to the negative. Here we just need one signal, so we connect A and COM in parallel to the wired wall button. Next, we come to the power wiring. 9 to 30 volt DC power and 90 to 12,040 volt AC power are available. This opener is powered by 12 DC volt, so we just connect the switch red and black wires to the opener control board. Red wire to positive, black wire to negative. Last, it comes to the gate detection wiring. You need to buy a door sensor to connect to the switch green and black wires. Then you can see your door open and close status on your mobile app. Pay attention that the door sensor part with the wires installed on the door frame and another part without wires installed on the moving door. Because this switch black wire is used for DC wiring before, so here we connect one of the door sensor wire to the opener control board, where the black wire goes to. Turn on the power after all wiring are finished, or your existing traditional remotes, wall switch, and accessories will continue to work just as they did before. Download and install the app, create an account and register. Hold button C for around 15 seconds till the Wi-Fi indicator flashes quickly. Then tap the plus icon on the app. Enter your home Wi-Fi password and waiting for connection. After around 10 seconds, the Wi-Fi indicator will stop blinking, and after another 5 seconds, it will blinking again. It means the connection is succeed. Pay attention here that your mobile and the switch must under the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi channel. On the button of the app, you can see the door open and close status. Here we just show the status changing for you. We installed this switch on our factory retractable door, so we can control the door in the car. Thanks for watching. Any problems, please contact us.